Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up a CAD system like this one here. I'm logged in as the admin right now, but by default all of this stuff pops up. What we're going to do is we're going to look at different things that we can do. This is going to be kind of a mini-series. This is going to be part 1. And in this part we're going to show you how to set up your CAD and get it running. And since I already have it running on here, this is where remote desktop connection is going to come into play for us. We're going to get it set up on a completely different computer. So, the CAD system that I've found that works is CAD MDT. This link will be down in the description down below for you to download. I already have it downloaded, I believe. Let me just check here. Yes, I do. I already have it downloaded, but this will be down in the description down below for you to download. Let's connect to the desktop. And I was doing some other stuff here. Boop, boop. I don't believe we have anything running. No, we have the old CAD that I was trying to test to see if working, so we can actually delete that. Let's make sure that we don't have anything in our FiveM database related to the CAD. We do, but there is nothing in it. We're just gonna, whoops. I don't want to disconnect, I want to drop. So we're gonna drop out that database because we'll need to create it again. So, whoops, go to the other desktop here. I'm going to copy this link. I'm going to go ahead and on this computer we're going to download it. Just going to download it as a zip file. Going to open it. I'm going to drag it out onto our desktop. So, if you've gone through the tutorial already and you've installed XAMPP, which allows us to do all of our database related stuff here, there will also be a link down below in the description to both XAMPP as well as HiveSQL. I will link those guys down below again. So we'll link those. You need both of those for this to work, unless you are using something like a professional hosting that has cPanel and stuff like that, which is what we'll wind up doing later on. I'll get this completely reset up in that, but this is just for if you just want it to be web-based and you don't want everything to be in-game. So, but that tutorial is coming at a later date. I'm still trying to get it to work. It's not functioning at the moment, so we're not even going to worry about that. We're not going to talk about that. So there's a couple of things we need from in here. We only need to go into V1, and we only need under upload. This is where we copy and drag everything into here. Now theoretically this should work, but it gives us a fatal error because it cannot connect to our database. So that's where we go. I'm going to drag Hydrate out to our desktop and open it with HiveSQL, and we're going to create new database. I'm going to call it CAD. Going to click on it, and we're going to import. Now once we get the database imported, we should be able to refresh. Oh, dope. It's giving me an error. To refresh that, close out of that, and let's reopen up Chrome. This literally just worked. Maybe we have to do some fun stuff because I already had it kind of set up. Because I already had the database set up. So, where is connect.php, edit with notepad++. Database name. There we go. Change that to CAD. That's why it wasn't working. There we go. So we can register. We're just going to go admin at admin.com, password 12345. Finish sign up. Please use a longer password. I'll just use the password I use for testing things. Continue to log in, save password, login. So we can create a new character, and clicking on the logo up here takes us back to here. We can go into law enforcement, dispatch, fire EMS, but judge is not set up. It says coming soon, even though I am pretty sure this hasn't been updated in 2 years. I will take a look into that, and I'll try to update it myself. And that will obviously take some time, and that'll go in an updated tutorial. So, guys, I recommend if you're watching this at a later date, once the other tutorials and stuff have come out, I recommend taking a look down in the description. I will make a mention of it when I actually have it completed and updated and working properly. But, so now that we have all, and this is a short tutorial, but now that we have all of that set up, I haven't dug too deep into here yet, because the original video was going to be getting it working in game, but I'm splitting that up into a separate part, because we actually need to cover how to set up and get running the, the database, as well as the MDT system, CAD system, to start. So, that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this short little tutorial, and I hope to see you all back here again when we upload the next video, because I don't know how long it's going to take. These uploads are kind of sparse right now, because I'm working on things and everything like that, getting stuff done. I have a lot of shit going on, but I'm still going to try to keep on with uploading new fun tutorials. We're actually getting close to being done. The whole setup and customization of the server side of things, and getting into really working on and deep explanations of how to write custom scripts for FiveM. But guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope to see you all back here again later for another video. Goodbye.